Hello students. In the previous class of grammar, we had studied about sentences. Now this is the literature and this topic is covered under literature chapter number 1, fun with friends. So we will continue with the back exercise. So sentences means a sentence is a group of words that has a complete meaning. Every sentence has an action word and begins with a capital letter. Action words means words which tell about active action. For example, standing, sleeping, dancing, running, sitting, etc. So, once again here, a sentence is a group of words that has a complete meaning. Now, look at this sentence. Geeta plays chess. Now, this group of words are arranged properly, orderly. Okay? So, and it's giving meaning. Geeta plays chess. This group of words giving us the idea, telling us that Geeta, she plays chess. Clear? Now come to the second part of the definition. Every sentence has an action word and begins with a capital letter. So, in this sentence, Geeta plays chess. Plays is the action word. Plays is an action word and sentence starts with the capital letter. Got it? And this happens with all the sentence. Every sentence starts with the capital letter. Every sentence will have action words and will end with the full stop or either with the question mark, which we studied yesterday in grammar. Now look at this sentence. Geeta is smart. Now is. Is actually a kind of action words. It is not the action word, but it is a kind of action word. That means it doesn't tell about any action happening, but it tells about state of being. It tells about the state of being. In Hindi we call it hai. Okay, so is not action word, but it is a kind of action word which tells about the state of being. Now look at exercise A. Tick the group of words that is a sentence. Now you see the first one. She saw Geeta. Now when we read she saw Geeta, suddenly a question comes to the mind. What extra? What about Geeta or what about she saw? That means something is missing. Some informations are missing to complete this group of word. That means this group of word is not giving the complete sense. Therefore, this will not be called a sentence. Come to the second point. Now, the playground is big. Now ask the question. Playground what? So here, playground what? The answer is big. So immediately we got the complete meaning of this sentence, that the playground is very big or big. It gives the complete sense, and it starts with a capital letter and ends with the full stop. So this sentence is complete. Come to the third one. Mohsin brother Zubair Now same, Mohsin brother Zubair what? No idea. That means this group of word is unable to give the complete sense or meaning. So we can't call it as a sentence. So this is also not a sentence. Now, fourth one. They are neighbors. They are what? Neighbors. So we got the answer of the question what? That means this complete sentence is giving us the meaning. It's giving us the sense. They are neighbors. So this is also a sentence. Now, Yash and Zubair like. Yash and Zubair like what? Again, incomplete information or incomplete group of words. So we can't call this group as, we can't call it as a sentence. Okay. So children, we had understood about this exercise, that which group of words is called a sentence and which group of words are incomplete. Now, among 5, only 2 are called as a complete sentence. Now, you will see in sentence number 2 is, and in sentence number 4 are. Now, is and are, as I explained you, that they both tell about state of being. That means they are a kind of action word. They are not the action telling word, but they are a kind of a action word, and they tell about state of being. In grammatical language, we study that the words like is, are, the words which tell about the state of being, they are called helping verbs, which I will be teaching you more elaborately in the next coming up days. Come to exercise B. Color the boxes red for statement. Statement means simple sentence, and blue for question. One has been done for you. Now I have done it all for you. Like, are you ready? Are you ready? This is a question asking sentence. So that's why it is marked as marked with blue color. Now, I live in Chennai. Now this is a general statement or simple sentence. So the box will be of red color. So similarly, you identify whatever is the normal statement, you color the box with the red color, and whatever is the question asking statement or sentence, color it with the blue color. Now next is, see, rewrite these sentences using capital letters, full stops and question mark. One has been done for you. Now here, number 1, you can see here a sentence is given. There is a house near the park. Now this sentence, logically it is revealing the meaning, but if you remember in yesterday's class, I taught you that a sentence can't be called complete till proper punctuation or proper mark has not been given. Like, this sentence should have started with T. So in the solved example, it is given here, it's capital T and a full stop in the end. Rest all is the same. Clear? Now the second one, who are their friends? Now when I read it, who are their friends? So what we feel that it is a question asking sentence. So it's a question asking sentence. So definitely same rule we will follow. First letter will be of capital since it's a statement, but this sentence is a question asking statement. So at the end we are going to put the question mark. So similarly, the same way you will do. One has been done, second we have done together. Now I want you all to do third, fourth and fifth in your copies or in your rough copy. With that topic, we come to the end of the previous chapter, that is fun with friends. Now we move on to lesson number 2, the balloon race. Now children, when we speak about picnic, we all love picnic. What is the first thing comes to your mind? Yes, games. The moment you come to know that the school or your family, they are going for a picnic, immediately you sit with your friends or with your siblings. Sibling means your brothers and sisters, and you start making list of the things which you will carry to the picnic spot. You will also start arranging various games which can be played in picnic. You also keep some of the games props like football, rackets, etc. to be played in picnic. So picnic is all about fun, enjoyment and happiness. Here, the second chapter, the balloon race, is about the same Nair family which we had studied in our previous chapter, Fun with Friends, along with their neighbors. Remember their neighbors? Khan family, Ghosh family. Remember their neighbors? Khan family, Ghosh family and Mishra family. They all have come for a picnic. In the picnic, they had a race. Now, while reading the chapter, we will have the idea that who organized the race, that is, they had a balloon race. So, who organized for it? And we will also see and understand and come to know whether the children were able to complete their balloon race or not.